Hello.
Somebody's getting it, somebody's getting my love. Somebody's getting it, somebody. Somebody done got it. Somebody done got it.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today is day, oh, there's something on my nose, hold on. Day 2 of a 6-day cruise. Yesterday all we did was board, get on the boat from Florida. So yesterday would have been just like a travel vlog. You would have saw me get on 2 airplanes to come from North Carolina to Florida. But today I'm in the Bahamas, baby. But it wouldn't be fair if I didn't show you guys what happened yesterday, so I'm gonna just insert some clips of yesterday now. Ay, qué bonita.
We can do the electric slide to any dance, but we're gonna do it to this one, so on the floor.
Where have you two been?
Hi.
We had our meeting on 4, right?
So yeah, baby, I'm living it up. I'm here with my family and Paul didn't come, but that's okay. So today is a Bahama Mama vlog.
What's up, boss man? You want to rent a car from Chamberlin, sir?
One of the tour guides walks past me and goes, "Oh, you're so beautiful." I know. Stop talking to me. They want you to buy everything here. Like AGV tours, buy a taxi. We got diamond rings in here. There's some other shops. Like they want you to buy everything here. I get it. Right now we're walking to the beach. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. Look how pretty she is. Like the beach, and I'm here for it. So I got a drink for free because all the card minimums are $20 and I literally had $3 in cash. Likes, 10 likes, and I was step on the thing. I'm joking. Oh my freaking god. You can see, first we see an eel, now there's a little lizard on the tree. Wow. My nails. Perfect time to do outfit of the day. Hey. My top is from Shein, my bottoms are from Shein, my bathing suit is from Shein because I'm cheap, but outfit of the day. Shawty got a Fendi bag. Shawty is expensive. This is called the Straw Mart, and as we were passing it, a woman goes, "You need any designer bags?" And that's how I know that they're counterfeit. I just got back in my room and look how sweet they are. 2 little swans. Oh, my bed was a mess. I know they came in here and said, we just got back in our rooms and I'm so tired. I have my own room, but I'm making my sister stay in here with me because I don't want to be lonely. And oh my god, it was so hot out there. I'm surprised my makeup didn't literally disperse. We want to go up to deck 9 and eat at this burger place that it has like bomb burgers. The burgers are so lit there. We're probably gonna go there. There's karaoke tonight and I want to go there and I want to sing. Are
you still there? To delete this message, press 7. To save it in the archives, press 9. To hear more options, press 0.
I'm just gonna start by saying I know that this lighting is not the best, but I'm in the Bahamas, you're not. I'm just joking. People on the internet are really sensitive. It's just a whole joke, okay? Hi friends. I'm in the Bahamas. Get ready with me. I am on a cruise. I'm in the Bahamas today and tomorrow. And then we're going to Turks and Caicos. Then we're going to the Dominican Republic. And tonight is one of the elegant dining nights. So let's elegant dine. So honestly, today we were in the Bahamas. I keep saying the word Bahamas. We went to the beach and like did a little sightseeing, and like saw all the shops and stuff. And it's sad that one of the highlights for me was getting free Wi-Fi from one of the cafes. Y'all know those people that pay for Wi-Fi on a cruise? I'm one of those people. I just can't live without it. I didn't pay for the like premium cruise package. That was $105, and honestly, the money that I spent to even come on the cruise, after like everything, flights, the actual cruise price, like too much. Y'all bugging if you think I'm gonna pay another $105 just for Wi-Fi. But I paid $30 for the cruise, and that's like a social package, so I can use iMessage, all the social medias, and YouTube works on it too. Hallelujah. Tonight, all we're gonna know is breathing and fine dining. For real though, I've been serving looks out here. I planned out outfits for every single day, and I've been doing that. It's only day 2, but just know that I've been doing that. I even planned my travel fits because I'm that annoying. Alright, I gotta clean up my brows because the right one's pretty, but the left one could use a hug. I just bought the NyraDelRey one, and I think I just pushed a lot of product into the top, so I don't need to like, you know, do a little thing anymore, like twist it up anymore. And that better be what's going on, because that's a lot of product, and this is like only my 3rd time using it. Guys, not only is this my first cruise, this is my first time like leaving the country. All the traveling I've done thus far has been in the US, and so leaving the US, oh my god, I feel like that chick. You can't tell me nothing. I feel like I look like Rihanna right now, like with the background, and like I'm like doing my makeup, and I'm like all, you know, candid. Hello you guys, I am Rihanna from Barbados. I can't even sound like her. I hope I don't offend anyone because the internet's so sensitive. I'm taking my Milani Conceal Imperfect because what other foundation would I gonna bring on this cruise? Like, this foundation is the supreme. I'm gonna go re-wet this actually. Legend has it that if you use a beauty blender dry on the internet, that all Aaliyah J fans come to your page and attack you. See, the problem I run into with Conceal Imperfect is I feel like the coverage is dope and the finish is dope, but I feel like it doesn't hide texture. And so I'm gonna try to mix, not now because I left it back at home, but when I get home I'm gonna try to mix this with another foundation that hides texture well, like maybe putting on the ABH stick foundation first, or mixing it with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, because this hides, I mean, this coverage is really good, but it doesn't hide texture. And my skin is a little textured right now. When my skin is looking textured, I remember this one time that patrickstarr was like, people know you're human. Like, you don't have to be so stressed about hiding texture or like having such a flawless finish that you don't have texture. You know, like you have human skin, you're gonna have texture. And that just makes me feel better. That makes me just feel better about my life and my makeup and my heart. I don't know, I'm just like so not impressed with my skin right now. I never highlight my forehead because I feel like my forehead just needs to be left alone. I don't know why. I don't highlight or contour my forehead. I put foundation on it and I go and live my life. I don't know why my makeup just looks weird on me all today. Even earlier when I did my makeup, I was like, what's wrong with me? I think I'm just ugly today. I don't know. I really don't know what's wrong with me. Is it me? Is it my skin? Like, that's actually what it is. It's my skin. My skin does not look great, and I'm kind of mad about it. Every picture I take tonight is going to be Facetune probably, because my skin ain't doing it on its own. Okay, wait, because I know I was just mad, but with flash on, it's kind of a look. It's just not like, you know, like not put together and like sharp, but like it is cute. Okay, so I'm dressed. Let me show ya. I have on this super cute dress. I'm ashy, y'all. I'm going to put on like lotion, so don't say nothing. I don't care. Super cute dress from Shein. You guys saw this in my last Shein haul. So cute. Shein really is my favorite store. Ugh. These earrings are like, they're like all up in your face, but I don't care. So what's really good is I went to dinner and then I've changed my dress already. We saw a rock show. They covered Bohemian Rhapsody and it was good for a Bohemian Rhapsody cover. On that note, we finna go to sleep. Muchos besitos, mi amores. Thanks for watching. I don't know who is gonna find enjoyment in this video, but I know somebody will like it. So thank you for watching. And I'll see y'all in the next video.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in a struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different in the city I come from. All of a sudden I got